Honor's built a reputation for making some of the toughest smartphones on the market. If you check out our past videos, we've already shown just how durable they are when it comes to taking a beating. However, all of those have been traditional smartphones. With the launch of the Honor Magic V6, it seems Honor wants to maintain that same durable reputation, but for a foldable instead. But just how durable is the Honor Magic V6? And more importantly, does it have the performance to match other foldables in the market? Let's find out. The styling of the Honor Magic V6 remains largely unchanged from its predecessor. The back panel features a large octagonal camera island housing the triple rear camera system. It's a fairly simple design, with most of the attention being drawn to the cameras. But what's interesting about our specific model is the finish of the back panel and case. They're finished with soft touch texture. It's also very fibrous, kind of, I don't know. It's like it's satin, but it's not. If we look closely, we can even notice the patterning, which becomes more obvious depending on how the light hits it, adding a unique styling touch. No pun intended. Together with the octagonal camera island, it undoubtedly helps make the phone stand out compared to other foldables. And we get a bonus for the premium feel. When folded, the Magic V6 measures 8.75 millimeters thick and weighs 219 grams, making it surprisingly light for a large foldable phone. Honestly, it doesn't even feel like a foldable when holding it with one hand while closed. See? It's like a normal bar type plus size phone. Not to mention, the volume rocker and power button are ergonomically placed on the right side, and at the bottom, we'll find the USB-C port, one of the loudspeakers, and the SIM card slot. The only issue we encountered that we can think of is its camera island. It sticks out quite a bit, which means the phone doesn't sit completely flat on a table, but it's really not the worst. Still, durability makes up for it. Honor used the Magic V6 to pull a plane and even attached it between a pull-up and easy curl bar to have someone do pull-ups with it. The single test unit survived multiple rounds of testing for both scenarios, showing just how sturdy this phone is. You can even bring this with you swimming thanks to its IP68 and IP69 ratings against dust and water. And as you saw from our short, which should be here, our review unit went for a swim and is still working to this day. Just stay away from salt water. Moving on to the display. The Honor Magic V6 sports a 6.52-inch LTPO OLED panel on the outside and a larger 7.95-inch foldable LTPO OLED display on the inside. Both panels support refresh rates of up to 120 Hz. Out of the box, the colors are very vivid with great contrast. Watching videos on the phone is especially enjoyable on the larger inner display. The extra screen real estate also makes it easier to read articles, browse social media, and work on documents. And animations look great when switching between applications or just going through the user interface. The displays are also very bright. The outer screen can reach up to 6,000 nits of peak brightness, while the inner display reaches up to 5,000 nits. To be honest, given the size of the cover screen, we rarely found ourselves opening up the main display. We could easily get work done or browse the net from the cover screen by itself. But of course, this is a foldable smartphone after all, and the inner display is where the Magic V6 really becomes useful for consuming media or even gaming. Once unfolded, there's enough space to comfortably run multiple applications simultaneously. It makes the phone feel more like a small tablet rather than a regular smartphone. It features stereo speakers, which are decent for a flagship level foldable. There's good separation and vocals are clear, but depending on how we hold and orient the phone, they can be blocked by our fingers. For biometrics, there's a side-mounted fingerprint sensor and face unlock. Unlocking the phone is quick and reliable, and the fingerprint sensor is easy to reach whether the phone is folded or unfolded. The cameras aren't usually the strongest suit of any foldable smartphone, but Honor equipped the Magic V6's rear with a pretty capable triple camera setup. It features a 50 megapixel main camera, a 64 megapixel periscope telephoto, and a 50 megapixel ultrawide. For selfies, users get two 20 megapixel cameras, one for the cover screen and another in the inner display. On paper, they're stacked for a foldable, and it translates well to real-world use. The cameras capture sharp images with good dynamic range, while the colors are vivid without looking overly saturated. More importantly, they're accurate to what our eyes see. The main camera also performs well in low-light situations. Images remain detailed and exposure is generally good even when shooting in darker environments. When zooming in, it's clear up to 6x, but anything beyond that and there's a drop in quality. The further we go, the more noticeable it'll be, because up to 6x is where this camera system can go optically. Meanwhile, the ultrawide is very much usable even at night, giving similar quality to that of the main and telephoto. The camera can record at up to 4K at 60 frames per second. There's also stabilization available, which helps keep footage steady while moving around. And just like the images, the video quality is amazing, capturing plenty of detail and accurate colors. Even in low light, the video quality is decent with little to no grain, at least for the main and telephoto. Interestingly, there is a noticeable difference when shooting video with the ultrawide in low light conditions. The video quality ends up looking a bit softer, and there's noticeably more grain too. Some might not mind, but it is something worth noting. And just like other foldable smartphones, this form factor allows the subject to see themselves on the cover display while taking photos. You could even use like an animated cat, like if you were taking a photo of your kid, to try to catch their attention when trying to take their shot. Maybe you could be like, "Hey daughter," or "Hey son, check out this cat," and they'll be like, "Ooh, the cat," and then you take the shot and then ta-da. So that's kind of nice. It's kind of perfect for that Instagram boyfriend or even girlfriend if you think about it. Under its panels, the Honor Magic V6 packs a lot of punch, featuring a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset, along with 16 gigabytes of RAM and 512 gigabytes of internal storage. With the chipset it comes with, we're no longer surprised at what the Magic V6 can handle. Needless to say, all your productivity applications won't be an issue. Even with multiple applications running in the background, switching between them is quick and smooth. This is especially useful when the phone is unfolded. The larger display gives users more room to work with, making multitasking much more convenient than on a regular smartphone. When it comes to games, it can handle them all as well. We played Genshin Impact, Zenless Zone Zero, and Neverness to Everness on this phone, and it had no problem running them at high settings. Loading times were quick, and we didn't encounter any major frame rate drops while playing any of these games. We were actually quite impressed with the heat dissipation too. Considering how thin this phone is, it didn't heat up that much after playing all these games. As for benchmarks, you can check them out on screen, and as expected, these are some seriously impressive numbers. Running on Android 16 out of the box, skinned with Magic OS 10, it's a nice looking operating system and it's very easy to use with multiple customization options. We get the usual AI things like Google Gemini and Circle to Search, but Honor also includes several features of its own with Honor AI. These AI functions can help with everyday productivity such as rewriting emails, text, or even summarizing long documents. Users can also edit photos captured by the amazing cameras of this phone in the Gallery app. Fortunately, there's not a lot of bloatware here either. Most of the pre-installed applications are easy to ignore or remove, and the overall interface remains fairly clean. Honor also promises up to 7 major Android upgrades, which should keep the Magic V6 relevant for a long time. Powering the Honor Magic V6 is a massive 6,660 mAh silicon carbon battery. It's one of the largest batteries we've seen on a foldable smartphone, which is impressive considering, again, how thin it is. This is one of those phones where we didn't have to constantly worry about battery percentage dropping. Using PCMark's Work 3.1 battery benchmark, we were able to record 18 hours and 55 minutes on the cover screen and 11 hours and 45 minutes for the main screen. The only time the battery drained relatively faster was when we were playing games for extended periods of time, but that is to be expected from any other phone. Fortunately, there's no need to worry about charging since this phone features 80-watt wired fast charging and 66 watts of wireless fast charging. There's also reverse wireless charging here too, which is useful for topping up compatible accessories or even helping your friends out. For connectivity, the Honor Magic V6 supports eSIM, dual nano SIM, 5G, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 6, NFC, a bunch of GPS bands, and infrared for using this device as a universal remote control. Overall, the Honor Magic V6 is a great foldable smartphone and one we definitely enjoyed using. It's powerful, features a nice pair of displays, and amazing cameras. Best of all, it's perfect for those who aren't exactly the most careful with their smartphones given how durable it is. We could even say it's great for those big boss types of people who are working on the go or in the field a lot. That way, they don't have to worry about bringing out other devices since they can do almost everything on the Magic V6. The only issue now is the price. At the time we recorded this video, Honor has yet to disclose the price of the Honor Magic V6. And if we're being honest, we expect it to carry a 6-digit price tag considering everything it offers. By the time this video is posted, the pricing should be pinned in the comments section below. But so far, what do you guys think of the Honor Magic V6? Would you get it over other foldables on the market? Share your thoughts in the comments section below. And if you enjoyed this video, found it informative, educational, or fun, be sure to smack that like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel, hit that bell icon so you get notified of our future uploads. Be sure to visit yukitech.com and follow us on all our socials for the latest tech news and reviews. Once again, Honor Magic V6, Miguel T, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.